Okay, well, okay, hi. Bye, Tom, bye. Do you want to learn how to do this kind of video? Then definitely follow every instruction that I'm going to be giving you step by step. And also when you make your videos, let me know in the comment section that you were able to achieve this. That is why I'm here. Okay, let's get started. Step 1 is get a reference video. Please listen attentively. For this step, you need to channel in your acting skill. Like you can see in my video, like I was acting as if the characters were already on my body. So you need to act it very well because the AI is not going to help you to do that. So you're just going to input this video in the app to generate the characters. And the app we're going to be using in this video is the Flow app, the Google Flow app. So go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and download it. And this is the interface. Once you've downloaded it, you open the app, then we'll get started on the next step. When you open the app, you're going to see the option for new. As you can see on the screen, this is where you're going to be generating the video and it will take you to the next phase. So when you get to this stage, listen to me carefully. You're going to see an option on the screen like this to upload your video. This is where you should go. Click on the upload button because there is also another option down which gives you the opportunity to generate images instead of video. This particular one where the upload option is where you can generate video. So this is where you're going to click. Don't get it twisted. And once you click on that option, it's going to give you this drop down where you can pick capture, image, and video. Again, please pick video. And once you click on the video, you are able to upload the video reference you made initially. So once you click on the video, you will have access to your video gallery where, as you can see, so I have so many videos that are already generated. So ignore that. Just go to your own gallery and pick the video that you already created, like I said earlier. So another mistake you shouldn't make is picking the wrong aspect ratio. You can see 16.9, which is for YouTube. So if you're uploading your video on YouTube, it should be 16.9. But if you're uploading like for TikTok, Reels, and Facebook, then it should be 9.16. Please don't make this mistake. Now, that is why I'm telling you to follow this instruction very, very clearly so that you won't make any mistake. Then when you upload that video there, click on the video. Don't go and look for any other option. Click on the video itself. Then once you click on the video, it will give you the option to edit your video. Okay. And then once you're able to click on the edits, then it should bring you to this particular interface where it will trim your video to the number of seconds that is allowed on the app. I think it's at most 8 seconds. So you can only generate 8 seconds video at once. So if you have a longer video, possibly you have to break it down into 8 seconds. Okay. And it's a free version, so you can only generate at least maybe 2 videos before it asks you to pay. So know what you are doing. Then once you are able to click and trim your video, copy this prompt that you can see on the screen right now. So you can see that I didn't type Tom and Jerry because of copyright infringements. The app will not generate it because of copyright. So I use the 3D cartoon blue cat and a 3D cartoon tiny brown mouse playfully running around my body. The 2 animals climbs on my head, shoulder, arms, and hand, and chase each other, jumping around naturally and react to my movements. Since you already have your movements in the video, keep my face, expression, camera angle, lights, background, and video unchanged. This prompt is going to generate for you the exact video that I showed you at the beginning, and then you wait for it to generate. It takes at most 2 to 3 minutes to generate this. If you're in a hurry, you can close it down or just leave it to generate, and it's going to generate for you. Although at some point it was giving me error at some point, but you need to keep trying. I think it was my network, so ensure your network is very strong and good. And once you have generated your video, then you should have the result like mine. Oh. Okay, well, okay, hi. Bye, Tom, bye. Okay. I hope you've learned something from this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave a comment for me. I'll catch you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.